Shinta, it is raining heavily, we have to play table tennis inside.
Sure, let's do it. Hey, did you hear that strange noise just now?
No, what noise?
Never mind, it's probably nothing. Let's play.
Shinta looked lonely, as if you were fighting against something on his mind.
This sandwich is delicious. You must teach me how to make it, Karen.
Sure, it's easy. I'm glad to hear that. But you look like you have something on your mind, Shinta.
Actually, something strange happened to me once. It was when I climbed Mount Fuji with my father.
Shinta and Karen both heard thunder in the distance and saw the rain falling harder on the window.